Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the server within the AFK Journey game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AFK Journey game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be required to log in, either using your email address and your password or your email and your verification code. After logging in and downloading all of the game resources, you will be taken into the main menu. Now within this page, before you tap to begin your journey, you will see the server menu at the right side. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the recommended server that is selected by default for you. You can also check underneath within the global server list, and you may choose from any different servers that have been listed underneath within this section. If you are unsure on which server you will need to connect to, the recommended server is the one that you should be going with. You may also choose any other server and tap on the confirm button, and this will now change your server location on the AFK Journey game right away. It might restart the game in order to connect to this new server. However, once it is connected, you will now be able to start your new game within this new server. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the server on the AFK Journey game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.